Daughter of reggae icon Banton make headways in Vogue magazine challenge. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back after this break. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who is being naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities. Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Well, good news in the air for the daughter of Banton, who goes by the name Abihail Myrie, after she entered a Vogue challenge online. So far, 3 of her pictures has gone viral. If you did not know, I'm about to divulge some details as it relates to what is Vogue, if it's the first you're hearing about this term. Well, Vogue is an American multi-fashion and lifestyle magazine covering many topics including fashion, beauty, culture, living, and a runway base. The company is based in New York City, and Vogue began as a weekly newspaper first published in New York City in 1892 in the United States before becoming a multi-publication of this magazine itself, and it has so far published more than 1 million copies. So, social media went into a frenzy this week after these photos surfaced online, featured Vogue magazine as the heading, and which features the dancehall entertainer daughter Abihail Myrie. Abihail Myrie, an aspiring model who also is the daughter of Banton, has represented well for the Vogue challenge, which has taken social media by storm. The entertainer's daughter has garnered an incredible wave of support from fans on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook for her world-class editorial images, and even her father has reposted the images on his Instagram along with the caption, "Abby, Whalers, you go girl, love you baby," and that's coming from Banton based on the massive success that these photos have had so far online since they have been posted on Abihail's social media network. Since the massive success of these photographs, which have now gone viral, the 24-year-old Myrie has since been featured on official websites such as Vogue USA, Vogue Japan, Vogue Australia, Teen Vogue, and The Cut, among other international media fraternities that has been following the story just so far. She was also highlighted in a segment for the award-winning and widely syndicated television program Good Morning America. Her images have been so far viewed more than 4 million times on her Twitter account. The 24-year-old Myrie states that she is just surprised and humbled by the public's reaction. She states in an interview that she felt honored and grateful, not only because she has been featured and recognized on such official fashion and cultural lifestyle platform, but because of what people have been saying and the collective talent of the Caribbean creative team with whom she worked with. It's further proof that God's timing is always better than ours, and our efforts weren't in vain, she said. As she embarks on this massive success, it's a good look for the world, a good look for Jamaica, and a good look for the Caribbean, as she has opened the door for many more Caribbean models to venture on this path of success. The creative director and stylist Fletch Fletcher, who worked along with Myrie on set of producing these wonderful images, alongside Wade Roden, stylist Samar Duncan, and makeup artist Lonnie Jones, has so far been captivated by these wonderful images that has gone viral on social media. The 20-year-old Myrie is very humbled by her recent accomplishment and has so far recognized her full potential as a model and an emerging style leader from the Caribbean. Abihail Myrie states that she intended to continue working towards her dream of gracing the pages of popular magazine and also the covers in the near future. She further went on to highlight that she have a really supportive family and professional team working with, and the love that she feels from everyone just pushes her to achieve her modeling dreams. As she embarks on this new milestone within her modeling career, we're just hoping that this opened the door to many more Caribbean models to venture on this part. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we hope that you do like this video. Please like, share, and also comment on our videos, and like and subscribe to our channel. We're out for now. Links 007 TV will keep you up to date with all these stories plus more to come on the program. We're out for now. Have a blessed and productive day.